Yeah, good day everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. For today, we'll be looking at chemistry practical for NECO 2026. Okay, according to NECO instruction, we'll be predicting some questions based on the instruction given. So we are starting with thought analysis. Sample is given as C, which is CuSO4. CuSO4 can actually decompose to Cu2 plus what? SO4 2 minus. In other words, it means we are going to be expecting the presence of Cu2 plus at the same time the presence of SO4 2 minus. So the first assignment to do here is to find a way to dissolve sample C in the still water, then you shake thoroughly. When you do that, you're going to have sample C will dissolve absolutely to give a pale blue solution, which inverts that C is a soluble salt. But you know, sample C is white and hydrous. That means does not contain water or crystallization. The moment you add water to it, become what? Hydrated, which also shows the presence of water. Actually, it tests for water. When you add sample C with water, it shows that water is present. Now, solution C now, that's portion form sample C now plus litmus paper. It turns blue litmus paper red. That means solution C is acidic to litmus paper. So portion of the C again plus sodium hydroxide both in excess, both in drop and in excess. We're going to be having a pale blue gelatinous precipitate, which you have Cu2 plus present, and in excess you're going to have precipitate insoluble, which is also Cu2 plus present. Going forward, you can also have a portion of B, a portion of C, I beg your pardon, plus ammonium, plus ammonia in drop, then in excess. You're going to have a pale blue gelatinous precipitate, which gives you CO2 per percent, and in excess, you're going to have precipitate. This gelatinous precipitate is going to actually dissolve to give us a deep blue solution, which confirms the presence of Cu2 plus in that particular compound. Now, to determine the presence of SO42 minus, there are two ways you can do it. You can first of all add BaC, barium chloride, to the solution. You have white precipitate. All these ions are present. SO4, SO2, and CO3 2 minus are present. And you add dilute HCl, the precipitate becomes insoluble, which confirms the presence of SO4 2 minus. And the other way around can also be asked in this format to dilute the solution with dilute HCl first. Of course, there will be no reaction, which shows that all these are absent. Then when you add BaCl, the precipitate comes back. That will be precipitate, which is insoluble, which shows that what SO4 2 minus is present. Thank you for watching the video. God bless you. Do have a nice day. All the best in your chemistry exam. Congratulations to you. Bye.